Good morning, everybody. Paul Aceto here with Paramount Residential Mortgage Group. Hope this video finds you well. Today, I'm here with Christina Moore, our social media director, and Gino Gavlik, web development and e-commerce. Today, Christina Moore conducted her first social media workshop. And Christina, can you just tell us a little bit about how that went?
It went well. It was our first inaugural class today, workshop, and we decided to put something together for all of you guys.
And I just want to let you know, it went awesome. She did a great job.
Thank you, Gino. We were testing the waters basically today. We get a lot of questions coming in to the department asking for help in making sure that online profiles are compliant, and questions in regards to how to use Facebook, how to tweak it to the best of someone's ability and things like that. And we didn't get into a ton of that today, but we did answer a lot of questions that people have, primarily compliance issues and notifications and things like that. So it was a good start. We will be having this workshop once a month, and it'll be probably on Thursday around the same time. So watch out for those emails.
So make sure you mark your calendars. It was great having everybody join us today. Look out for this for next month. Make sure that you see us on social media. Like all of our stuff. Make sure you share all of our content. We'll see you next time.
And remember, everybody, progress is not possible without change.